In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with WooCommerce. If you run an online store and want your sales to flow straight into your accounting, this quick connection through the Xero App Store is the cleanest way to do it. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Xero account with permission to add apps, and that you have admin access to your WooCommerce store. Keep your store URL handy and be ready to approve connection prompts on both sides. Start on your Xero dashboard. Look toward the top navigation and find the Apps icon. This is your gateway to connecting Xero with trusted partners. Click the icon, then choose the Xero App Store. You'll be taken to a curated catalog where you can discover integrations that extend what Xero can do for your business. Once the App Store loads, use the search bar and type WooCommerce. You'll see several results, but the one to look for is called WooCommerce Automatic Sync. This listing is designed to bridge your WooCommerce orders with Xero so invoices, customers, and payments line up accurately. Open the listing to review its overview, supported features, and region availability. Take a moment to glance at the description and any notes about pricing or trial options so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Get This App. Xero will guide you through a short confirmation flow. You'll be asked to confirm the Xero organization you want to connect, and then you'll be redirected to securely authorize access. Expect to sign into WooCommerce if you aren't already, and approve the permissions the app needs to read orders and post data back to Xero. These prompts are normal and ensure your data is shared safely and only with your consent. As soon as the connection is confirmed, the app completes the setup and prepares to sync. From here, the integration typically pulls in new orders from WooCommerce and creates the corresponding records in Xero, keeping your sales, taxes, and customer details aligned. If the listing offers configuration options during the confirmation, follow those on-screen instructions so the sync behaves the way you prefer. That's it. You went from the Xero dashboard to the App Store, searched for WooCommerce, opened WooCommerce Automatic Sync, and clicked Get This App to finalize the connection. With the integration live, you'll save time on manual data entry and get more accurate books. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow between Xero and WooCommerce.